Well, earlier in the show, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson about swapping in some healthier choices for the holidays. And that interview will be on our Facebook page a little later this morning. And now Paula is back with a recipe to share. Karen is standing by now with more.
Hey John, we love Wednesdays because that's when our Common Ground volunteers usually come into the studio. We love it when they're cooking for us. Today we have a recipe that's perfect for the holiday season, especially for Thanksgiving, using pumpkin.
Yeah, and pumpkin's healthy, you know, we can use that. And it doesn't have a lot of sugar in this one. It's just a fun layered bread. You use Grand's biscuits, and it says you're supposed to slice them in half, and I recommend a serrated knife.
Yep.
And then you can just run it right through it, and it actually lets you get the layers. And so you can have your extra layer. If you want to mix the cinnamon or sugar and the pumpkin pie spice, and leave just a little of the pumpkin pie spice.
Just leave a little?
Yeah, because then it goes in the glaze.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you mix that all up. And this one's pretty easy because you just take butter and cover your biscuits on one side. And then once you get that mixed, then we're going to add a tablespoon of just the pumpkin. And this recipe calls for the premixed pumpkin pie filling, not just the pumpkin where it's got the seasonings and stuff in it.
Okay.
You could use the other just as easy. And so you just put it on one of the biscuits, and then you sprinkle your sugar on top of it.
Just like that?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you just actually just layer this, and you'll do, I forgot I'd already put the butter on that one.
Yeah.
But you do layers of 4, and then you put that in there.
Some more on top of there.
Yep. And you'll do that till you 4, and then when you get them, you just slide them in the pan.
Oh, how many do you put in here?
16. The 16.
Wow. You layer them on top.
Right.
Okay.
And the big thing is once you get to the end, don't put the extra one because you don't want pumpkin pie filling on the outside.
Yeah, okay.
And then it takes about 45 minutes to bake. And then when you let it cool for just about 10 minutes, and you mix up a glaze of just powdered sugar, milk, vanilla, and then the extra pumpkin pie spice.
Oh, that's your glaze.
Yep. And then you just pour it over the top, and that's it.
Pour it over the top while the bread is still warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, ooh, it gets it nice and gooey. Okay, so here's what it looks like finished.
Yes.
Perfect. Give this a try. Very good, Paula.
And you could add nuts or raisins if you want to in your pumpkin mix or between your layers.
No, thank you for letting me swallow. No, I like it just like this, perfect with a glass of milk, with some coffee in the morning.
Tom thinks ice cream would work with it.
He likes anything sweet
with ice cream. Anything with ice cream.
This is a good recipe. I think a lot of people will enjoy making this too. So it is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you want to copy it down. Paula, thank you.
No worries.